Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, there is a small correction. I am sales manager for West region. I'm not director sales for Kranich Solar. So basically, director sales is Mr. Sandeep Banodia. He is not present here, so I am presenting Kranich Solar. So first of all, why Kranich Solar, and most of them must not be knowing what is Kranich Solar. Basically, Kranich Solar is basically a German-based distributors, which are the oldest distributor in the industry. It is around 25 years old in distributors. So a quick overview. So we are basically global solar distribution. We have offices in 24 countries, you can say. It is in India, Singapore, Greece, Mexico, and etc. We have various subsidiaries in various countries, and our services, like we are providing services to other countries as well, which we don't have any subsidiaries. And basically in this presentation, I would like to explain what is the relationship between Kranich Solar and Goodwi. So what Kranich Solar does in India, it has solar modules and inverters only for now. In solar modules, we have Axitec, which is again a German brand. We have Trina Solar, which is a Chinese brand, as you all know. And we have JA Solar, which is again a top 2 solar module manufacturer. We have Satvik Green Energy, which is an Indian brand, which is one of the most emerging brand in solar modules in India. So in inverters, our most promising member, you can say, it is Goodwi inverters, and other inverters also we have. We have SolarEdge inverter, we have Fronius, we have ABB, and last but not the least, we have SMA also. And if you can see the global solar distribution subsidiaries we have in India, of course, we have in Germany. Germany is our headquarters. We have it in Spain, we have in USA, we have in France, we have in Belgium. And we support many other countries also. We support to Bulgaria, we support in Brazil, we supply materials to these countries as well, Sri Lanka, South Africa, Sweden, Thailand, and many more. What happened? Yeah, sorry. And what do we do in India? We are now supplying only solar modules and inverters. We will be supplying mounting systems. We will be supplying solar storage systems, data communication, and accessories we do supply. We do supply MC4 connectors also. And what we also provide, we have a good inside sales team. We have a good after sales support team, which gives you proper project support, which will give you proper PV Sys report of your project if you share your complete details with us. And also we provide web-based trainings, we provide customer workshops at our offices, at some seminars. And any product we sell, be it Goodwi, SolarEdge, Fronius, or J, the first contact person will be Kranich Solar. If the problem doesn't get solved by our team, then we'll forward it to the manufacturers. But first contact will be Kranich Solar. The problem mostly gets solved by the Kranich Solar itself. And now talking about the relationship between Kranich Solar and Goodwi, we have started its global relationship since 2018. In India, we are the biggest distributor of Goodwi inverters, you can say. And the Goodwi inverter is a new supplier in our portfolio. It has added, I said, in 2018 only. Talking about Goodwi, it has a best after-sales service right now, what we have experienced. It is a quality product, as all of us know, and we are getting a very strong support from the entire world by Goodwi inverters. What we have for Goodwi inverters now, as of now, I will say we have residential inverters, we have commercial inverters, and we have utility inverters. We will be keeping hybrid inverters also after March. Now, why Kranich? Why means if Goodwi team is there in India, why Kranich team? Why a customer will buy from us? First of all, a quick stock. We will have a quick stock in India. If you need one piece also for a small project of 1 kilowatt, you can say, then we have a ready stock. There is no minimum order quantity. If you want one piece also, we are ready to provide you. And also in modules also, if you need any, like if you need one piece also, we are ready to serve you at any places of India. And we have dedicated salesperson in entire city, entire India. So we have a salesperson in Hyderabad, Rajasthan, Maharashtra also, in Bangalore, in Chennai, and in Delhi. So why Kranish? Kranish is, to be very frank, Kranish is, if you think about trust and reliability, it has a German trust and reliability, and it is 25 years old company. I think many of the manufacturers are also not that old, but in distribution sector, having such an old company is only a trust and reliability factor. And hassle-free logistic support, we have warehouses in Pan India, we have warehouse in Mumbai, we have warehouse in Pune, we have in Delhi, we have it in Hyderabad. Now we are planning to open in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan also. And after some time, you will have complete solution. Means if you need a MC4 connector, Leone cables, everything, you will get it from Kranish. No need to go like to number of the suppliers, like I need to go to him for cables, I need to go to him for MC4 connectors. After like March, we will be providing entire solution to you. Thank you so much for hearing.